Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 11 CBSE Maths Complex Numbers and Quadratic Equation Miscellaneous Exercise. Question number 5 in that first sum. Let's see the question. Convert the following in the polar form. We need to convert the given complex form to a polar form. Now the question is 1 plus 7i by 2 minus I the whole square. Here in the denominator we have 2 minus I the whole square. We can't write it actually, we need to solve it. For that I am going to do squaring. I am going to use identity here. It is in the form of a minus b the whole square. If it is in the form, this is not just squaring a square and b square. We need to solve by the identity, which is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So I am going to use it here. Here 1 plus 7i by a square is 2 square, that is 4, minus 2 into a is 2, b is I, plus I square. We know that I square is 1. Just substitute the value here. 1 plus 7i by 4 minus 4i. Here it becomes minus 1 because I square is minus 1. Solving this we get 1 plus 7i by 4 minus 1 will become 3 minus 4i. Now to form a complex number, there should not be a denominator of a complex number. To form a polar form, there should not be a denominator of a complex number. For that reason we need to remove the complex number in the denominator. For that, just conjugate the given question. So conjugation is nothing, just changing the sign of this and multiplying on both the numerator and the denominator. Here it is 3 minus 4i. I am just going to multiply 3 plus 4i on the numerator as well as the denominator. We need to see only the denominator thing. It is 3 minus 4i. If it is plus, just multiply with minus. If it is minus, just multiply with plus. Here it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. We can use the formula of a square minus b square on the denominator. On the numerator it is just the binomial multiply because it is not the same. Use binomial multiply to multiply on the numerator. The denominator is 3 square, that is a square. 3 square is 9 minus 4i the whole square. In the numerator multiply 1 with both the 3 and 4i. Same way 7i with both the things. It becomes 3 plus 4i plus 7 3s are 21i. 7 4s are 28i square. Now solving this we get 3 plus 25i. Here it becomes minus 28 because I square is minus 1. Minus 1 into 28 will become minus 28 by here 9 minus 16 into I square. Here you need to multiply both. We need to square both the 4 as well as the I square. 4 square is 16. I square is minus 1. So it becomes plus 16. Now solving this 2 we get plus 25i minus 25. Here real part first, it is 3 minus 28 becomes minus 25 plus 25. Here 25. Taking 25 common outside on the numerator, I get minus 1 plus I by 25. 25 gets cancelled. Now it is minus 1 plus I. We need to convert the given minus 1 to plus I to a polar form. For that, minus 1 plus I, the polar form, required polar form will be of form r cos theta plus ir sin theta. So this is the required polar form. We know that the real part is equal to the real part and the imaginary part to the equal to the imaginary part. So equating the real part as well as the imaginary part, we will get a separate equation. Let's see. Now equating the real part to the real part, that is r cos theta is equal to minus 1 and ir sin theta equal to plus 1. Let me take this to be the first equation and second equation, but squaring and adding the, not I, it is ir. Equating only the imaginary part, we get r sin theta equal to plus 1. Now squaring and adding both the sides. we get r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta. We get 1 plus 1, which becomes, taking r square common, it becomes r squared cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 2. We know that cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. So just writing r square equal to 2, we get r is equal to root 2. So we got r equal to root 2. We need to find the cos theta and the sin theta. For that, just divide the given thing, second equation divided by the first equation. If I divide, I get tan theta. So r sin theta by r cos theta is equal to, here modulus 1 by minus 1. R get cancelled. This can be written as tan theta equal to plus 1, because here it is minus 1 modulus. Anything with the modulus, it becomes plus sign. So it is plus 1. We know that tan 45 is plus 1. So tan theta equal to tan pi by 4. We can write 45 as pi by 4 because we know that pi value is 180 degrees. So 180 degree divided by 4 becomes 45 degrees. So now theta value is equal to pi by 4. We can't substitute the theta value, this value, to the sin theta or a cos theta, because we need to substitute only the argument value. For that, we know the given complex number, what we found is to be minus 1 and plus I. In this, the real part is negative and the imaginary part is positive. So real part is negative and the imaginary part is positive here. That means take a quadrant thing. We know that this is positive, positive, this is negative, positive, because x-axis it is negative, y-axis it is positive. Here negative, negative, here positive, negative. We know that in the first quadrant, this will be your second and this will be your third, this will be your fourth. If it is negative and a positive, negative positive means it lies in the second quadrant. Therefore, the point lies in the second quadrant. So in the second quadrant, the theta formula is pi minus theta. The second quadrant is pi minus theta. So we can substitute the theta value to find the argument z. We need to find argument z. For that, we know that it is in the second quadrant. So I need to take this formula as pi minus theta. The theta value here is pi by 4. So pi minus pi by 4. If I solve this, 4 minus 1 is 3. So 3 pi by 4 is your argument z. Now we can directly substitute the value of the polar form. We know that polar form is minus 1 plus I is in the form of r. You can take common, cos theta plus I sin theta. Just substitute the value of r here. R we know that it is root 2. So it becomes root 2 cos theta value, not this value. Substitute your argument z value, that is 3 pi by 4 plus I sin 3 pi by 4. No need to solve, we can leave it as it is. This is your required polar form for the given sum. That's all with the sum. Thank you.